Welcome to Kanya ERP. In order to view repair order analysis, access MNTT26 maintenance/repair order analysis transaction. In this transaction, enter information for the relevant order, and in order to group the results that are to be listed here, enter group criterias, which could be work center, machine, and others that you can add. And when you're done, click search button. If you would like to add more information to the table, you can select total cost, prep time, and others, and click search button again.